Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. Yes, I'm Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. My man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, spit the doubt out of your mouth. Freedom is a must for the 2020 viewers and subscribers, and let's not play coy, meaning say make we not go on like we don't know what happened. Viewers and subscribers, the teacher had to appeal his sentence because it was not centered on evidence, but rather on the sociological implications of his music and the wider society at large. Now, viewers and subscribers, the teacher said this: a lot of black youths in Jamaica have been suffering from PTSD since birth, and most people don't even know what that is, much less to understand the implications it have on the youth them. And how we teach it to our youths is the way we were taught it, viewers and subscribers. This letter is addressed to none other than the 3-judge tribunal and the wider society at large, viewers and subscribers. PTSD is post-traumatic stress disorder, viewers and subscribers, and it is true. Whole heap of we youth them go through this from we are youth, and that's how we grow up, and we also teach it to the youth them we are raised. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel said just like most DJs and rappers who didn't drop from the sky as artists, but were born and raised in and became a product of the very same post-colonial, post-Cold War, post-politically charged atmosphere, viewers and subscribers. And in this violence-dominated music, viewers and subscribers, they may have to assert themselves and assert a certain level of dominance. Hence why Vybz Kartel music is what it is. And if you look upon the music too as well, viewers and subscribers, as I say, speaking to the subject matter that is prominent to the people who want to listen to your music is key. When you're going to remain dominant for the years, then Vybz Kartel has remained dominant. And even for bust as an artist and become an artist, the people say, yo, yeah man, the artist, you know, I'm going to run the place. Other than that, viewers and subscribers, separate and apart from that fact, this is the way people were even raised, viewers and subscribers. This is the way people were raised. And now, they're calling for violence as a way to solve violence. And I have never seen that work, viewers and subscribers. No. So right now, them a call for the incarceration and the rehabilitation of an artist because they must sing about things the society at large are talk about. That not seem right. Because, start the truth, the conviction was not centered on evidence, but rather upon the fact that Adidja Palmer is Vybz Kartel. And himself, viewers and subscribers, most artists and rappers are products of their environment. So them a talk about things we are going around them. So you can't hear somebody say something in a song and I say, yo, and him say that in a song, you know, him is that kind of person. No. He must speak for the people who don't have a voice. And viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel go on to say, just notice in a Jamaica. Him say not just bad man bad. The police them bad, the taxi man bad, the politician bad, the painter bad, the idiots bad, the pastor bad, and have him think upon him too. And a reality, viewers and subscribers, a reality, you know what I mean, in our culture is slightly aggressive. You know what I mean? And everybody seek to assert them individuality, viewers and subscribers. And even in the music, that is how the musical scene is. If you notice what going on with the younger artists them right now, the same artists and we are singing the motivational song right now that the youth them say, you know what I mean, floss and you know what I mean, get catty and these things. And the same artists where for forward in the game, they may have to sing a different tune. The songs were more aggressive. They may assert themselves and we can know say, oh, we are rough youth, you know what I mean, but I feel like a soft soap settings. But at the same time, that is just one aspect of even their musical talent. There's one aspect like that. Yes, them can talk about subject matters where everybody are talk about and them can do it to a level make, you know what I mean, you say, yo, that is very descriptive. You know what I mean? Vividly descriptive. But at the same time, them can also sing songs to motivate the youths. Sing songs to uplift them viewers and subscribers. And as I say, the teacher pointed out PTSD. Understand me? For big up the teacher, viewers and subscribers. People like to talk about, as I say, certain songs of them can use to paint a picture about the artist. But I am pointing out that is just one aspect of the artist's musical talent. And even as an individual, viewers and subscribers, some people still don't know Adidja Palmer. Them only know Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And it was clear in the initial trial, viewers and subscribers, that it was based upon that persona. Yeah, really and truly, it was almost like Vybz Kartel was on trial and not Adidja Palmer. And Vybz Kartel is a persona, viewers and subscribers, not an individual. People seem to forget that. People seem to forget that, viewers and subscribers. But the individual who we are talking about, Adidja Palmer, all know we don't hear them talk about him. All we hear them talk about is Vybz Kartel, the persona of Adidja Palmer, viewers and subscribers. And the teacher have to remind them, say, yo, listen to me, man. Society play a stronger role in a war going the way people think. And remember, society is built on the people who live in any country who has a society. So it is also still an individual situation. It might also go as far as to point out, say, yo, the way we go through the situation is sometimes also the same situation or the same way we hope to raise the youth them. Or even indirectly, we do the same thing to them that were done to us. And you can't solve it so. So just by saying, oh, yeah, the teacher that sing them type of song than Ray and Ruan, you know what I mean, we are set as an example, and that got turn the people in the music and artists now talk about them thing there. Did that work? Did that work, viewers and subscribers? Remember, since children live where them learn that it. What the pre was the ending statement from that letter from Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. What the pre? No talk to it. Having the teacher now, and putting the teacher there and say, alright, this are the person. Remember, even when the teacher was at the UWI, viewers and subscribers, these are the same thing when the teacher point out. You can't hope for entertainers to raise the youth them. Entertainers entertain viewers and subscribers. Simple as that. And why people get motivated and inspired from entertainers. Remember, the job they signed up for was to entertain, wasn't it? Now, to whom much is given, much is expected, and we all know that. And the teacher acknowledged that fact as well. And that is why even a musical repertoire, viewers and subscribers, if you notice, the teacher have different styles of music, different subject matter when I'm talking about and I'm sang them. Songs to motivate, songs to uplift, songs to even educate. You know what I mean? Yes, because the teacher acknowledges that who much is given to, yes, much is always expected, viewers and subscribers. We know this. But we cannot look to entertainers for become, you know what I mean, the role models of the future generations. Because listen to this. In the initial stages when people are entertained, there were still other people becoming role models for the wider society at large, showing people say, yes, this is the way we want our society to stay. We want people to have this mindset. Remember, these same role models influence the entertainers. It is just that whoever the spotlight is on at this moment in time becomes influential. So there is a level of influence, and we are acknowledge that. Let's not play coy, meaning to make we not pretend so we don't know what I want. But at the same time, viewers and subscribers, it is up to the guardian them around the youth them to show them and differentiate. I mean, them say, yo, this is the way for go. So it starts at the yard. It's an individual effort. So viewers and subscribers, that's how we can tell us that freedom is a must. Because in the initial trial, viewers and subscribers, people just have focused on the facts. Teachers sing some song where, you know what I mean, when they hear them song, they say, yo, no sir, them money are OG in the streets. That is not up for debate. What we are talking about the fact is that is music. And you should never use someone's entertainment. We can't look on a Jean Woo film and say just because Jean Woo makes certain type of film, it means this kind of individual. No. Jean Woo is a director, viewers and subscribers. He directs some big movie like Killer and whole heap of big movies. But he is a director. And his job, what him sign up for, is for vividly show you on screen the representation of a script. Yes, that is the job he signed up for. And for show it in the most vivid way possible. A way when you see it, you say, yeah man, I saw it for go. Or even, yo, it even beat my expectations. That is the job he signed up for, viewers and subscribers. So, at the end of the day, I don't feel like you should judge someone based on the craft what them do. Entertain. Remember, songs are for entertainment value. Whether or not it have reality in it, yes or no, it was made by an entertainer and he signed down to entertain, not to become a role model, or not for people to use these songs for script them life. That is not what the entertainer signed up for. So viewers and subscribers, it is clear to me that with all of these factors factored in, the 3-judge tribunal will have to acknowledge the fact, say yes. The sentencing wasn't based upon evidence, because in this appeal, experts have testified that the only thing that they were left to rely upon was cyber evidence, and the cyber evidence, viewers and subscribers, was obviously tampered with. So that within a nutshell I show you say, yo, they have no case. Some people still say that leaves the witness, we, as he was referred to, and his statements. But his statements were changed. Him say one thing and then say another. So even that sounds like it was tampered with. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, the guy who's a representative, the dancehall correspondent. I'm here reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you don't like the reason and of course you don't like the point of view, well I am suggesting to you viewers and subscribers that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and yes, leave a like and a comment on the vlog. The comment section today 24/7 open, never lock yet. Drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. Be mindful of the guidelines, however, viewers and subscribers. Yes, the share icon today can tell a friend, tell a friend. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all, so you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you here on the platform. You know the sentiments of move settings, I wanna need a lot of fam. And me I say live, love and prosper until we reason again.